Morning children, welcome to all once again. Myself Mrs. Rani Sheikh from LCMS Chagwa. So children, in previous video we have studied noun and its type. Today we are going to discuss our second chapter from grammar book. The name of your chapter is noun, singular and plural. So children, what is noun? Do you remember that? Yes, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, state or quality. It means all the naming words are called noun. For example, yours name, my name, book, chair, etc. So let's begin the chapter lesson 2, noun, singular and plural. Number of nouns. There are two types of numbers in English grammar. So children, how many types of numbers in English grammar? There are two types of numbers in English grammar, singular number and plural number. Singular nouns are used as names of a single person, animal or thing. For example, boy, box, city, knife, tooth, car, apple, etc. So what is the meaning of singular? Singular means single. It means one. Singular means single. Or noun means name. Singular name, single name. It means one name. One name of a single name of a person, single name of an animal, single name of a thing. That is noun. For example, boy. Here, one boy, one box, city, knife, tooth, etc. It means one single name. It is singular noun. Plural number. Plural nouns are used as names of more than one person, animal or thing. Example, pencils, toys, knives, teeth, eggs, mangoes. So according to this definition, plural number means more than one, not single, more than one. That is plural number. For example, pencil. Not one pencil, it is more than one pencil. Toys also, it is not one, it is more than one pencil. Knife also, teeth also. So what is the difference between singular noun and plural noun? Let's see. Singular number and plural number. Singular number means single, it means one. Plural means more than one, not one. So children, boy. Here boy denote one boy. Boys denote more than one. Box denote one box. Boxes denote more than one. City. City denote one city and cities denote more than one city. Knife. Knife denote one knife and knives denote more than one. Tooth. Tooth denote one and teeth denote more than one teeth. So did you notice children, when we make singular to plural form, we add something like s, es, ies, ves and double e. So children, there are some rules to form plural noun. Plural nouns rules and example. What is this? This is the plural nouns rules and example. Here rules, example of singular number and example of plural numbers. Some exceptions. Exception means a few words do not follow the same rules. General rule. What is general rule? Most nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular form. For example, car, bag, table. Nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular form. So children, here add car. Car become cars. Bag become bags. Table become tables. Nouns ending in s, x, z, ch, sh, double s. Adding es. I repeat this. Add es, that noun ending with s, x, z, ch, sh or double s. So children, bus. Bus end with s. Then add es. Bus become buses. Bench. Bench end with ch. Then add es. Then bench become benches. Box become boxes. Here box end with x. Then add es. So box become boxes. Some exceptions are here. A few words do not follow the same rules. They are exceptions. Phase, phases, gaze, guesses. Nouns ending in f or fe. Nouns ending in f or fe, changing the ending to ves. So calf. Calf. And the last word is F. F replaced with VES. F replaced with VES. So calf become calves. Shelf become shelves. Wolf become wolves. A few words do not follow the same rules. Then curve become curves, chef become chefs, and belief become beliefs. Nouns ending in O. That nouns ending in O preceded by. So children, what is the meaning of preceded by? Preceded by means before O. Before O, a vowel are made plural by adding S. It means before O vowel is there, then you add S. So children, radio. O before I. What is I? I is a vowel. Then add S. So radio become radios. O before E. What is E? Vowel. Oh, what is vowel, children? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels in English language. Stereo become stereos. Video become videos. Nouns that end in O preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding ES. Nouns that end in O preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding ES. So children, before O, if consonant is there, then you add ES. So potato. O before T. What is T? T is a consonant. Then we add ES. Potato become potatoes. Hero. Before O, R. What is R? R is a consonant. That adding ES. Hero become heroes. Domino. O before N. What is N? N is a consonant. Then domino become dominos. A few words do not follow the same rules. That is, piano become pianos, photo become photos, and hollow become hollows. Nouns ending in Y. Nouns ending in Y. When the Y follows a consonant, changing Y to I, adding ES. So children, Y. Y before T. T is a consonant. Then we add Y replaced with I. Then add ES. Then city becomes cities. Candy. Y replaced with I and add ES. Then candy become candies. Lady. Y replaced with I. Then add ES. Lady become ladies. Nouns ending in Y. When the Y follows a vowel, the plural is formed by retaining the Y and adding S. So children, Y before A. What is A? A is a vowel. Then add simple S. Day become days. Toy. Y before O. What is O? It's a vowel. Then add S. Toy become toys. Donkey. Before Y. What is here? E. What is E? E is a vowel. Donkey become donkeys. So children, some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, sheep. Plural also sheep. Hare. Hare in singular form also. Plural form also. Hare is hare. Deer. Same. Deer. Bison. Bison. A few singular nouns from their plural by changing the inside vowels. Here A. What is A? A is a vowel. It's a change with E. Man become man. Tooth. Double O change into double E. There is a vowel. Tooth become teeth. Some nouns always take their plural form even though they refer to one thing. I repeat this. Some nouns always take their plural form even though they refer to one thing. One thing. Example, trousers, scissors, sunglasses, etc. So children, trousers, sunglasses and scissors are used, always take their plural form even though they refer one thing. Countable noun. What is countable? We can count easily. That is countable noun. Can we count book? Yes, we can count easily book. We can count chair. We can easily count We can count pen. Yes, we can count easily. So that can be count are called countable noun. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Example: book, pen, bird, tree, etc. So children, we can easily count book, one book, two book, three book. We can easily count pen, one book, one pen, two pen, three pen, four pen. Bird also. So I have 5 books. Can we count books? Yes, we can count books. There are 2 birds on the tree. The nouns books, birds and tree are the name of a things that can be counted. They are countable noun. So children, we can count easily, that is countable noun. Nouns that cannot be counted, it means that not be counted, are called uncountable nouns. For example, water. Can we count water? One water, two water, three water? No. It is. Can we count milk? One milk, two milk, three milk? No. So nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Example: water, milk, food, sugar, salt, rice, etc. The water of this pond is clear. So children, water is uncountable noun. Food is tasteless without salt. Food and salt also uncountable noun. The nouns water, food and salt are names of the things that cannot be counted. They are uncountable nouns. So let's begin the exercise. Complete the table using the singular or plural forms of the nouns. So children, according to this rule, singular means single, it means one, or plural means more than one. So here brush and with sh, then add es. So brush become brushes. It means one brush and more than one brush. Match and with ch, then add es according to this rule. Match become matches. Mouse is a single mouse and mice more than one mouse. Dwarf become dwarfs. Dress become dresses. Hoof become hoof. Here f change with ves according to that rule. Hoof become hooves. Wife, here fe also change and fe replaced with ves. Then wife become wives. Knife, niece become nieces. Lily, y replace with I and then add es. Then lily become lilies. Rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined nouns into their plural form. Make other necessary changes. So children, the child could not throw the hopla ring around the toy. So children, child, what is child? It is singular number, singular noun. Ring also singular noun and toy also. So changing the underlined nouns into their plural form, make other necessary changes. So child become children, ring become rings and toy become toys. The answer is the children could not throw the hopla rings around the toys. Next, an unripe mango tastes sour. Mango is singular number. Mango become mangoes. It is plural noun. Unripe mangoes taste sour. The train has a long coach. Train is a singular number. Coach also singular number. The trains has changed into have. The trains have long coaches. The coach gave an instruction to the player. So children, what is player? Player is a singular noun. Player become players. The coach gave an instruction to the players. The sun hid behind the cloud. Cloud also singular noun. The sun hid behind the clouds. Cloud change into clouds. The mosquito bite the buffalo. The mosquitoes bite the buffaloes. Mosquito change into mosquitoes. Here one mosquito or mosquitoes means more than one mosquito. Buffalo is one buffalo or buffaloes means more than one buffaloes. The horror story had a ghost and a frightened man. The horror story. Story is singular number, singular noun, then change into y replaced with I, then add es. Story become stories. Ghost, ghost, and man become man. So children, the horror stories had ghost and a frightened man. My cousin and I are making a sandwich for breakfast. So children, sandwich singular number, cousin also singular number. Change into plural form. So my cousins and I are making a sandwiches for breakfast. Question C. Rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined nouns into their singular form. Make other necessary changes. The birds. Birds, what is birds? Birds is a plural noun. Plural number. More than one birds. The birds in the sky can be seen from the ground. The bird change into singular form. Birds become bird. The bird in the sky can be seen from the ground. The plates, cups and saucers on the shelf are broken. Plates, cups and saucers are plural number, more than one. So change into plates, change into plate, cup change into cup, saucers change into saucer. The plate, cup and saucer on the shelf are broken. The boys fell off their bicycles. Boys become boy and bicycle change into bicycle. The boy fell off their change into his. The boy fell off his bicycle. The teachers were happy to see the students score good marks. The teacher were changed into was. Teachers is a plural number, then change into singular number. The teacher was happy to see the student score good marks. The singer sang lively songs for the audience. The singer sang a lively song for the audience. I saw snakes, giraffes and bears in the forest. Snakes more than one, giraffes also more than one, bear also more than one. Change into singular. I saw a snake, a giraffe and a bear in the forest. The children drew boats, mountains and flowers on a sheet of paper. The child drew a boat, a mountain, a flower on a sheet of paper. These watches more than one watch. Then watches become watch. These watches show the wrong time. This watches change into watch. This watch shows the wrong time. Next question, question number D. Rewrite the sentences after correcting the mistakes. The fisherman caught many varieties of fishes. So children, fishes is the wrong. It is mistake. Some nouns have the same singular and plural also. So fishes become fish. The fisherman caught many varieties of fish. I bought a new pair of scissors. We didn't use scissor, always scissor become scissors from the market. I bought a new pair of scissors from the market. Strawberry. We didn't use strawberry, we say strawberries. Strawberries are sweet and sour to eat. Strawberries are sweet and sour to eat. The butcher uses a sharp pair of knives. The butcher uses a sharp knives. I bought furniture for my new house. I bought furniture for my new house. My spectacle fell to the ground and was crushed by a car. My spectacles fell to the ground and were crushed by a car. Nayan listened to the advices of his friends. Nayan listened to the advice of his friends. There are many people is wrong. People is wrong. Change into people waiting outside the cinema hall. There are many people waiting outside the cinema hall. Circle the countable noun and underline the uncountable nouns. So some nouns are given here: umbrella, toothpick, rice, bangles, socks, baker, tooth, water, woman, mouse, goose, computer, rat, dentist, sand, coffee, ox, house, milk, teacher, flower. So children, can we count umbrella? Yes, we can count easily umbrella. Toothpick also. Can we count rice? No, this is uncountable noun. Rice is a uncountable noun. Bangles also we can count. That is a countable noun. Socks, can we count 1 socks, 2 socks? Yes, we can count easily. Then that is socks is a countable noun. Baker also countable noun. Tooth, can we count tooth? Yes, we can count easily. That is a countable noun. Water, we can count water? No, we can not count water. 1 drops, 2 drops. That is, water is uncountable noun. Woman, we can count easily. Woman, 1 woman, 2 women, 3 women. So, woman is countable noun. Mouse also we can count. Goose also. Computer also we can count. Those nouns can be count. That is a countable noun. Rat also. Dentist. Can we count sand? No, we cannot count sand. That is sand is an uncountable noun. Coffee also not count. That is uncountable noun. We can count ox. That is ox is a countable noun. House, we can count easily house. That is a countable noun. Milk also not count. That is uncountable noun. Teacher, can we count teacher? Yes, of course we can count teacher. That is a countable noun. And flower, we can easily count flower. That is countable noun. So children, here there are some countable noun and some uncountable nouns. Umbrella, socks, woman, rat, baker, toothpick, mouse, dentist, ox, teacher, tooth, goose, house, bangles and computer. There are countable nouns. We can count easily. That is countable noun. Oh, what is uncountable noun? Coffee, milk, rice, water, flour and sand are uncountable noun. So children, do you understand this lesson very well? I hope you understand. So children, I hope you understand this lesson very well. Thank you.